My last name is Dockery, and my whole life people call me Doc, right? So when I was a little boy, all my buddies called me Doc, and I was very into science and math. Somebody said, "You ought to check out physiatry." And I was like, "Huh?" And I was like, "Podiatry?" I'm like, "What are you talking about?" She's like, "No, it's physiatry." Like, "Psychiatry?" "No, physiatry." So I'm like, "What is that?" So it's kind of it's a great little blend of neurology and orthopedics. The goal is for physiatry is to help pain and function. So anybody with acute back or neck pain to chronic low back or neck pain, all the above. Somebody's not able to sleep at night, or they can't work, or they can't walk more than a couple minutes. Our goal is not to help the pain, but help them kind of tackle those obstacles that are facing them. The most rewarding part of my job is when people return after we've done something to treat their pain, especially people who have been here, severe acute pain. They'll call back, a week or two later, like, "I'm not hurting. You don't get it. I've been hurting for 10 years. I've been hurting for 5 years." I will be doing all my clinics in Spring Hill, and I have a block room. So all my procedures in terms of nerve blocks, epidurals, facet injections will all be done in Spring Hill. And we'll be able to kind of see you there, do physical therapy there, get our x-rays there. If we need to do an injection, we'll be able to schedule it right there in the Spring Hill area. So anybody in the South Williamson County or anybody from Maury County or in that area, if they don't want to have to come all the way up to Franklin, they'll be able to come see me right there. When I'm not at work, my wife and I, we love to travel. We go to Mexico, we go to Europe. I enjoy spending time with my family. My biggest passion is spending time with my kids. So I'll be living in Columbia. Everything kind of worked out in terms of where I could be in practice, where I'd be working. And then the group of guys, I think, and the physicians here, as well as the administration and staff, they're all great.